Let's walk through how to use conditional logic and standalone alerts to notify the study team based on a participant's response to a specific child activity. In this example, we'll create an activity that asks a participant to report their systolic blood pressure. Our goal is to automatically alert the study team if the reported value exceeds 120. To start, we'll create a workflow titled Systolic BP. Next, we'll add a participant-facing activity called Systolic Blood Pressure. Let's take a closer look at this activity. The activity asks the participant to report their systolic blood pressure. They're presented with 3 response options: equal to 120, less than 120, greater than 120. We want the study team to be alerted if the participant selects greater than 120. To use this response in conditional logic at the study level, we designate it as a global variable, which has already been set up here. Now, we'll add a conditional logic diamond to the workflow, asking, is the systolic blood pressure greater than 120? The rule is straightforward. If SBP equals 3, which corresponds to greater than 120, trigger the alert. Otherwise, the workflow will end. At this point, the system evaluates the participant's response and determines whether it meets the alert criteria. If the value is greater than 120, we'll trigger a standalone alert titled SBP High. We'll mark it as a safety alert and set it to Trigger Immediately, then add it to the workflow canvas. If the response is equal to or less than 120, no alert is triggered, and the workflow simply ends. And that's how ObvioGo enables real-time safety monitoring using conditional logic and standalone alerts, so your study team can act quickly, stay compliant, and maintain continuous oversight of critical participant data. Simplify configuration, automate logic, and accelerate your digital trials.